In this video, we're going to focus on how we can center the 0 line of the X scale and the Y scale in a scatter chart in Chart.js 4. To do this, the first thing what we need here is to get our border template, which you can find here on chartjs3.com getting started. Once you're on here, scroll down and copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, if you want to get the source code of this video and many others, check out my Patreon page. And of course, got a question, put it on Discord. So, what we're going to do here first is let's convert this into a scatter chart. So we're going to scroll down here. I'll say here scatter, save, refresh. There we are. Now, of course, we need to have the points. So what I'm going to do here is just put some different points in here, but their data points work slightly different. So we're going to put them in there. We say here for the X value, let's say 1. And for the Y value, I'll make it 5, comma, or let's make that 6. Let's copy this. Paste, paste, paste. I guess that's more than enough. Then we can say here -6. That will be 6. And then here it was with 3. We'll keep that one. And then we say here -6 as well. And we'll put this one, I guess, a -3 as well. Let's save these. Refresh. Alright, so now we have an item here spread over the scale. However, I want this line here to be the the 0 line to be the one that is most highlighted. Right now it is not on there, it's just down here in the corner. So how do we do this? We're going to scroll down here, and then we go here first to the X scale, put a comma, and then we're going to say here for the X scale, we're going to indicate the position. We're going to say here the position for the Y will be equal to 0. And what I mean by Y, because you might say we're on the X scale. As you can see here, this is the position of the X scale. It needs to move to the Y of 0 to have it there. If I save this, refresh, there we are. The next thing what I want to do is same with the Y scale, move it into the 0 position on the X value. So we're going to say here, comma, position. And for the position here, we'll say the X, and the X will be 0 as well. Save, refresh, and there we are now. We have the values exactly in the center or in the 0 line.